Okay, so in this video, we are going to create a simple agent. So that simple agent will be a customer support agent. So what we will do is that we will try to implement all the things which we learned in the previous video. So we are going to create all these things: instructions, tools, brain, memory, and external knowledge. So let's get started. So firstly, we will need a trigger step. So as I mean, so let me just give you a little context about this workflow, like how it is going to be. Um, so we are going to use tool as this is a customer support agent, and the customer support, the customer support people will be usually handling things around emails and all, because customers will be writing the emails regarding their query on email and just pushing it to the uh, whatever the customer support email you have set up. So for this purpose we are going to use tools as a Gmail. So let's add the Gmail trigger on message received. So now this will be our Gmail, trigger node. I have connected my Gmail credentials here already. Uh, it takes barely a minute. So you will have to connect yours too in order to make this work. I have switched off this simplify so that we will get a complete message instead of just a small snippet of the text. So earlier when I was new, I struggled with this problem that I wasn't getting like why I'm not getting the complete text message. Then I searched at some places, and then I came to know that it is set to simplify and it is just cutting all the necessary details which are required. So then we will need a AI agent. So we'll come in this AI section and we'll add this AI agent. So for now, we'll just keep it as it is. So we are now we have set this now. This AI agent. It does nothing currently. Currently, it does nothing at all. Now we need to give it a brain. So our brain will be from OpenAI. We are going to use 4.1 mini. Also, when you have signed up and you are a new, you have a new account, you will get free OpenAI credits, which I'm using now. Mm, so so we have set up our brain. Now we need to add a memory. We are going to use simple memory. We'll change this to define below. So I'll tell you what to add in this key later. Till for now, just keep it keep it like this. So now we have brain and we have a memory and we have an agent. Now we need to give it a tool in order to take action. So the tool will also be Gmail, because of course we need to reply to those emails. So we'll set this operation as reply. We'll map the message ID when we have data. We'll set this email type as text. And for message, we are going to select this. We are going to select this button. So that means defined automatically by the model. Mean which translates to the thing. Which translates to this, that this field will be automatically defined by the model. So whatever the result AI has, it will use it. It will just define it on its own. That is it. Nothing too complex. So yeah. So now we have brain, we have memory, we have tool. So now what do we need is prompting and external knowledge. So let's talk about external knowledge first. So right now for this instance we are not going to add a really big external knowledge because there is no need of that. But in case when you are creating real workflows and that are, I mean, that will be in production, that time you will need to give like, that time you will deal with big databases and all those things. So for that purpose, what you can do is we can set up a vector store. So that is a bit advanced for the, that is why I'm not going to cover that thing in this video. I will see it in the upcoming videos. But just for now, understand that we can set up a vector store and connect it as a tool, so that AI can just, I mean, this agent can just fetch the details from that and then reply to the queries. But for now, we will use the different approach. So that is writing, I mean, giving the context about the company and our information in this system message. So let me just add all the information along with the system prompt. So I'll add it in the description, so you can just copy paste if you are following through. Okay, so I have added this prompt. You can go through it if you want, but it has like main components that are firstly there is role, then there is task, then there is specifics. Then in specifics, we have added the external knowledge, I mean, which we are calling external knowledge, but it is just information which we are giving to the agent. Then the fourth one is context, fifth one is example, and at last we have notes. So yeah, that was the prompt and the external knowledge. So let's go through our component, I mean, anatomy of AI agents. So we have also set up our, I mean, we have also our prompting and external knowledge components set up too. So our AI agent is complete now. So congratulations for your AI agent. But the thing is, we have not yet, there is some error. Yeah, so we have not set up the, I mean, mapped the important fields, and without that, this nothing, nothing will work. So firstly, I'll need to send a demo email to this account. So let me just send it, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I sent the email and I just clicked on this fetch test event button, and now we have the data that is coming from the email that I sent. So I'll just pin this data so we can work on it again and again instead of, so this avoids, I mean, we don't need to send an email every time we need to test this. So let's just I mean, we need to first map things out, some of the things. So for the key, just scroll through the left side, I mean the input section, and we will set the email address as the key. So this will be the session ID for the, I mean, for the memory, so that whenever this particular user will send, I mean, this particular user will send any kind of query, a unique session will be created for them, so that the AI will know that what was the previous conversation we had with this particular user. And that is it. There is nothing complex to that. Then replying, we'll need to set up the message ID. You'll get it here, and on the first, I mean, it is the first variable. So just map it, and that is it. So let's run this agent. Oh, there's some error. No prompt specified. Okay, so so we have not set this to define below. I mean, we need to, I mean, the AI agent will not know from the air that what even the customer query is. So we'll set it here. I mean, let me just set this up. This is the customer query. So, and now we'll need to just map the message, actual message that is coming from the user. In this case, the user is I am the user. So this is the message. So usually you need to go through this input section and find the variable that is correct. Sometimes you may not find the correct. You just need to go back and forth doing it. So let's run this, and I think it has worked completely fine. So let's go with the output. So I have asked the customer, okay, no, not this. We'll just see in the Gmail, like what is the reply from us. Thank you for reaching out about your refund. To assist you accurately, could you please provide your order ID or the details of your purchase? Once I have that, I can check the status of your refund for you. So this is good. This is fine as we have. It will just give the output as we have given it the. As we have prompted it. So the better our prompts, the better the results. So it has done a great job. We'll just unpin this data and we can set this live. We'll do it V1. We can set up this production checklist, but for now we'll just ignore it. Okay, so what is saying? You're using free OpenAI credits to make sure your workflow runs smoothly in the future. Replace the free. Okay, so it is just saying that we are on the free tier of OpenAI credits. We need to add a paid API key. So that is nothing. That's no big deal. We can just replace the API key. So once this is in production, we'll see the production executions here. So it will just appear when it's done. We won't be seeing it spin up when like we do in the test executions. But yeah, that was a workflow. Now, if any email comes to this, my email, then this agent will get triggered. This will actually get triggered, and it will actually send an email about whatever the query is. But I'll just turn it off after this video. So yeah, that was the video. Now we have, we understand the concepts of previous video in a better way, like what the LLM is, what kind of prompts we are using, how to use memory, the external knowledge, and the tools. So this has become complete mess, but I think you got the point. So yeah, that was it for the video. I'll see you in the next one.